Yeah, I think it's recording. Yes.
Okay, so
I don't know how.
A month later, a different day, we've reached the field.
We've actually got to the field after all that time. Stupid bloody camera's fiddly. It's actually a nice day today.
Well, it's brighter out here. You'll see it a little clearer, hopefully. Yeah.
Terrible doing video.
24th of April today.
Oh.
All right, love.
Yeah.
We thought we'd talk about
Nothing. No. We're over the worst of it, I think.
No, we don't know that, but we thought we'd talk about
In the papers, it said, even though I don't know whether to believe the papers because they talk a load of crock of shit, but but it said that there was the death count, like the deaths in a day has gone down to like 500 instead of like 900 and something.
But the positive, what we were going to talk about, is the stuff that we've done around the house and garden.
Yes, because everyone's going to have lovely looking houses and gardens. We're going to do some painting, gloss painting of doors and stuff today. But what have you done? You say, what have you done?
Me? Oh, sorted paperwork for bin or filing. I've sewn 4 pairs of jeans of Fran's, because bless her, she's only 5'4", and jeans fit around the waist, but they're not so good in the leg, are they? So 8-inch hems.
I look like a snail.
What else have I done? Deep cleaning of fridges, bathrooms, toilets. What's got into me?
No, you never clean.
Not to that extent.
Where's she gone? We're not even keeping an eye on the dog.
She's done her poo and now she's going to run over here and expect a treat for it.
Lola! Come on!
As if, you know.
She's running around like a crazy ass fly. Come on!
Come on, girl. Beautiful girl.
Look at her go! Hello, Lola.
Oh, yes, I've got the pepperami. Not the same as cheese. I
Lovely
know.
walk in the field. Have 2 days off to do stuff.
But I believe there's someone over there. And she doesn't like
And
other
she's
dogs.
aggressive. Wow, for the dogs.
Not to cats, not to chickens or people. Loves everything else.
Thought we'd go
She's
for
got
a
about
daily exercise.
5 doggy friends, would you say, that she gets on well with?
Yeah.
No, Fran's been hard at work this pandemic. We've got a 100-foot long conifer hedge that's about 10 foot high that she clipped with blunt shears. All I did was hold the ladder and sweep up.
Took me a few hours and then everyone clapped, so I thought it was for me finishing the hedge because it's taken so long. But then obviously it was the clap for the NHS.
For the NHS we forgot.
So well done to them.
It was the same night, wasn't it?
They've done fantastic. I can't thank them enough for what they've done for everyone, and you know, and the key workers, and keeping this country going and saving lives.
Yeah.
So we're very thankful for everything they do. Could get us all in. I don't know even if we've got our faces on this.
Oh, of course we have. And then
I'm still learning how to use this thing.
you've got things done in your room, haven't you?
Yeah, it's actually tidy for once. No, I've got pictures up on the wall now.
Yeah, we went out and bought about 12, 14 photo frames.
So all my Comic Con photos are all on the wall.
You used
Well,
the
most of them.
drill.
Yeah, and that was driving me freaking
Lots of
insane.
cursing.
Ah! Dog's trying to get me. Isn't this field wonderful? We're so lucky to have a lovely field.
Oak trees, look.
I'd laugh if this wasn't even recording.
It's recording.
How do you know?
This darling is going to have a bath when we get
Yeah,
home.
we're going to bath her, so she's
In
going to
the
hate
old
us.
tin bath in the garden.
She's not going to be happy, are you, Lola? Lola? Hello? Say hello. Say hello to your fans. Oh,
She's a beautiful girl. Well, Christine likes her, don't you,
Yeah.
Christine? She commented on the other.
Oh yeah, everyone likes Miss Foxy Lady,
Yeah.
who looks like a fox.
Well, because she's a Romanian rescue
Yeah.
from a kill shelter. And she was flown over to Britain in 2013 when she was around the age of 2 or 3 to a gentleman
Ah.
who had her and some other dogs too.
I'm in the grass.
And sadly he
People are
passed
still
away.
around.
That was awful that he passed away.
It tastes like summer. I mean, it feels like it, not tastes. That makes no sense. Are you yawning? Are we keeping you up, Lola? People?
What else have we done?
Uh,
I've been dusting all my books and I've got a lot. It's
yeah,
like-
you need to get rid of them.
No! I've got a beautiful library at home.
Library? Oh.
I have.
Yeah, they're about 100 years old.
Well, my mum's books when she was a kid have got to be the 1930s.
Oh my god.
Not quite 100.
And when was the last time you read one?
I read them every time I get them out to dust them.
I don't know about
I
that.
love the encyclopedias. I've spent a lot
We have
less
too many
time
books.
on Facebook and more time
What was that?
catching
You
up
were on
with
it this morning.
catching up.
Less time on Facebook. Oh yeah, let's play the game.
We've caught up with our soaps
Yeah,
that were
true.
recorded. We've caught up with, well, me, the murder programmes.
There's a fly. There's a fly on my GoPro. Oh my god.
Oh, Sammy says we've got to get the DVD player going.
What?
You've got to teach me again.
Teach you? You don't even pick it up.
Well, I've got DVDs as presents.
Step by
haven't I?
step on how to use a DVD player. You plug it in.
Behave!
You put the thing in the wire
I'm
into the
letting
back of the
off the
DVD player to the TV, and then you put a DVD in it and press play.
Behave
That's
yourself.
how you do it.
It doesn't work simple for me like that. I get errors on everything.
Errors.
My life's been
Oh look, Mum.
warnings.
Do you need the toilet, Mum?
No. So, beautiful sunny day in our field.
Our field, we own it. No. I wish.
Well, we pay our taxes.
Yeah, although that posh Beckham woman, I read in the paper that isn't it the people that work for her shop. Obviously, their shop. I don't know whether it's because the shop's been closed, but she's claiming the money to pay their wages, not from her own money, but from our taxes. And she's like got millions and millions of money.
Is she
Like
the one
millions
that
of-
sells fur clothes?
I don't know about that. No, but I just thought it's bad. She's loaded, yet she can't rake out of her own money. She's taking it from the taxpayers.
Fan on a soapbox, you notice again?
No, I always thought
Loves a good
So,
rant,
I
don't you?
thought she was better than that.
Yeah,
I was quite shocked to read that.
yeah.
I thought, flipping out,
Keeping more for herself.
yeah, selfish.
Hoarding.
Selfish people. And it's everyone else. Everyone else doing all their work. Oh.
Let's put on the lead again. I think someone's coming in.
There's people everywhere. And I don't understand.
No, I'm enjoying it. I'm sure there's something you've forgotten to mention.
No, I don't think. I've given up with my mask at work. It does my head in.
Maths.
The mask at work.
You haven't.
No, it kept falling off my ear. And it was getting sweaty.
You know how to worry me, don't you?
I wear my rubber gloves some more.
With your asthma, you need to protect.
Oh look, doggies. Doggies want to come and play. Look how